How to ask for somebody's age in Cantonese. Asking for somebody's age, huh? Not sure if that's a good idea. Oh well, got to give the people what they want. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's time for another EZ Cantonese. Make sure you help this channel out and give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So some of you have asked, how do I ask for somebody's age in Cantonese? I'm going to teach you that here in this episode, and also going to teach you how to respond in case somebody asks you. So make sure you review how to count 1 to 10 in Cantonese. The video is up there. Make sure you review that because you're going to need the numbers here in this episode. So before I start the lesson, I just want to say that to ask somebody's age in Cantonese in Hong Kong, probably the rest of the world, it's considered a little rude, I guess. So make sure you don't ask somebody who appears to be way older than you, like your girlfriend or your wife's dad or your mother's. Don't ask, okay? Don't ask. To ask for people's age is more for people around your own age, maybe your friends. Or children, actually. Maybe children too. So to ask somebody for their age, all you have to say is 你幾歲? That's it. 你幾歲? Alternatively, you can put an ending word at the end. You can say 你幾歲呀? 你幾歲呀? Just like that. Now, if somebody asks you, how old are you? How do you respond? So let's say you were 30, you would say, 我30歲. Or you can say 30歲. Also, a lot of people would say, 我今年30歲, which means this year I will be 30. So maybe your birthday is later on in the year and you're 30 at that time, then that's what you would say. So alternatively, you can ask, which year were you born in? To say that is 你邊年出世㗎? Or 你邊年出世? The first one has an ending word. So I'll repeat that again. 你邊年出世㗎? 你邊年出世? So that's how you say which year were you born in, but how do you respond? Let's say you were born in 1998. All you have to do is say each number of the year. So if it's 1998, you just say 1998. If it's 2002, it'll be 2002. So alternatively, some people like to say the last two numbers of their birth year. So if it's 1998, they'll just say 98 or 98年. If it's 2002, it'll be 02 or 02年. Hey, thank you for watching EZ Cantonese this week. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you learned something in this episode, and good luck with asking for people's ages and responding to them in case you are asked. Make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.